So I'm moving on to what's called a satin stitch now, and that's often used as a border or to infill sections that you want in a block colour. So what I've done here is I've just drawn myself 2 lines and I've threaded myself some purple just like I used on the chain stitch, and I'm going to bring my needle up on one line, leave myself enough at the end to tie the end in, and then I'm going to go down on this line and up on the line above, and as close as I can to the stitch where I came up. And then you want to keep a nice even tension, because you don't want to for the fabric to bunch up, you want it to just cover the fabric. So you go down, bring it down, and then needle goes in, and then it comes back up, and you just work your way across the section that you want filling with the colour, and this is known as the satin stitch. So it's not very difficult, it's not complicated, it's just about being even with and really precise with the placement of your needle and keeping that tension between the stitches, and you'll see that it looks exactly the same on the back as it does on the front. And you just keep going for however long you want the section to be. And it might not be a stripe like this. If it's a leaf, it's going to be leaf shaped. You're going to be following a very different line. But this is how to create a satin stitch. It's all about the placement of that needle, getting it up close to the one before and keeping that tension nice. Once you've gone as far as you want, then you stop, take the thread around the back, and then you can just tie it off, and that's the satin stitch.